Hello guys, it's Cameron9901 here, and this is another random segment with my friend Stuart over here on a motorcycle, sort of, dirt bike, and he is going to be doing some jumps for us. Yippee! Look at him, go show your face, show your face! Yeah! Yeah! Hey Stewie!
Record the jump!
What?
Jump!
What jump? What? Hey, that's not fun. Hey Stuart, go in that pit really far. Like, go around and then go in that part. Yeah. Andale, reba. This part! Stupid gravel! Hit that when that song goes. As fast as you can. He's gonna hit that little thing right there. He's gonna go as fast as hell. Let him get hit. Okay, stop it. Halt. Good. Shut it off. Shut it off so it doesn't hear me. Point this at me. Hello guys, this is Gamer Outro, I think. I don't know. And that has been another random segment with me, Gamer901, and my friend Stewie. Hello. And see you guys, see you later.